Hello guys, today we learn about how to balance Sony ZV-1 and also Crane M2 gimbal. Let's go.
This one is a Sony ZV-1 with attached Ulanzi wide angle lens. So how do we balance this thing, this ZV-1 with Ulanzi wide angle to the Crane M2 gimbal? So we need another L bracket which you can buy from the local store. This one I got from the Ulanzi L bracket. It's quite heavy compared to the small rate that everyone recommend, but it's much more cheaper. So how do we balance it? As we know, this one we need to attach here. Attach it first. Easier for us at the moment. Yeah, attach it first. Right, one we attach. Want to balance it in this position, we need to open up the camera. Look, we have three axes: the tilt axis, the roll axis, and then the pan axis. Okay, we have three axes, so we need to balance all three axes. So first one is the tilt axis. See, we hold at this corner here, then you can see it going downwards, so we need to adjust to loosen up the screw and push it further back. Still is going down, and we need to go to much more further than that. Tighten the screw. It's going down, up. A little bit to the front. So yeah, it's already balanced. So this one, another axis you need to move is this going up and down, where you need to balance this axis. This is still a tilt axis, so mine is already balanced, so you need to adjust any further. So next is the roll axis, to the right and to the left. So by adjusting this screw here, and then we can move it to the left or to the right. Okay, I loosen up here a bit, then we move a little bit here, then we can see our camera is tilt to the left, so we need to go. Alright, now it much more balanced, then I tighten up the screw. Okay, the last axis is the pan axis. Pan axis where you move to the right and left. Okay, so how do we check it? Try to move the Zhiyun Crane to the right side. If it roll to counterclockwise, then you need to adjust, or clockwise or counterclockwise, you need to adjust this screw and move the arm front or to the back until you satisfy with your outcome. Then overall mine is already balanced. Then only you can turn on your Zhiyun Crane M2, and then voila, this is pan follow mode, which usually I use quite often. Next thing is press ×2, ×3. Can be a selfie mode. Alright, selfie mode. Press 1, they change to follow mode. If you click to the M button, it changes to PF mode, to the lock mode, where it's locked at the same axis, and also another one is point of view modes. Okay, if you press ×2 M button, it changes to go mode, where you do some of the adventurous activity. Well, if you press another ×2, you change to the vertical mode. Right, where you can make a very cool cinematography. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys later.